Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to translate websites in Google Chrome. So first, you need to open your Chrome web browser and click on the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. Now on the left side, choose Languages, which is between on Startup and Downloads. Now scroll down and select Use Google Translate option under Google Translate section and ensure that it's toggled on. Next, to translate into a language, click on the drop-down menu and select the specific language that you desire. Then after, go to a website you wish to translate. And once you go to that specific website, you'll get the icon in the top right corner, which indicates translate this page option. Go ahead and select it. Now it will give you options right here. It's displaying translate in English or Chinese. If you want to go ahead and select another language, click on the three dots right here and select choose another language and click on this drop down menu and select the language that you want to translate into and then select done. But if the automatic translation isn't working, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner and then select extensions. Then after, select Chrome Web Store. And here in the top, search for Google Translate extension. And after it's added, click on the extension toolbar icon and pin it. Then after, you can copy the text you want to translate and you can click on the Google Translate extension icon and your copied text will be automatically translated. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.